Potentiometer sensor repair on Sony CFI ZCT1G dual sense wireless controller. This controller is an inclusion of PS5 console from Sony. The initial report indicated that the analog stick consistently veered to the left side even when no input was applied. This is commonly called an analog drift. The analog joysticks and controllers, including the Sony CFI ZCT1G wireless controller, often use potentiometers to detect the position of the joystick. Potentiometers are electronic components that can wear out over time due to friction and repeated use, leading to issues such as drift or inconsistent input detection factors contributing to joystick potentiometer issues. Mechanical wear from use causes degradation, leading to drift. Varying component quality affects longevity. Cheaper ones where faster intensive gaming accelerates wear and tear. Design flaws and increased susceptibility to failure overall. While potentiometer issues are a common concern with analog joysticks, proper maintenance and careful use can help mitigate these issues and prolong the lifespan of the controller. Regular cleaning and occasional calibration may also help address issues like drift and ensure consistent performance. The Sony CFI ZCT1G wireless controller is generally durable and well built, but like any electronic device, it can be susceptible to damage if mishandled or subjected to excessive force. However, with proper care and usage, it should withstand normal wear and tear without issues. It's essential to avoid dropping the controller, exposing it to liquids, or applying excessive pressure to the buttons and analog sticks, as these actions can increase the risk of damage. Overall, while the controller is designed to be robust, users should handle it with care to ensure its longevity. Analog repair is complete. Visit our shop to have your wireless controller be repaired too. Follow our page for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.